Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my mountain theory to tackle tough situations and to do things that you've never done before in your life. So, when a tough, difficult, or conflicting situation comes into your life, it is going to seem hard, like climbing a mountain the first time. But as you take the first step and as you start climbing the mountain, and eventually do it, it's going to be easy, and then the next it's going to get easier. And so the next time when there's a mountain in front of you, you've already climbed a mountain before, so you know what that feels like. So this time around also, you know what is the first thing that you have to do is take that step. Take one step, take two step, take the action of climbing the mountain, knowing that yes, it's seeming hard right now and you may be fearful and scared and afraid of what's going to happen. Oh, I can't do this. Oh, this is impossible. I've never done this before. How can I do it? But there's always a first time to climb the mountain. So what you're going to do is take that step and go ahead and do that thing, even though it seems difficult now, because the next time when that mountain comes in front of you, it's just going to be easier. And then the next time when it comes, it's going to get easier and easier and easier, because you know, and your gut and your body knows the feeling of what it is like, that the mountain looks hard, but when you take the first step and then the second and the third, it just gets easier. And eventually you accomplish that task, or you do that talk, or you reach that destination where you're supposed to be going and reaching. So this is the theory of the mountain. So there are three things that you can learn from this theory of the mountain. And I really love this theory that I made up that really helps me, also to go through difficult and tough things in life, or things that I've never done before, and to actually pick up my guts and courage to do that. So, back to three things that you learn from this theory of the mountain. One is that the mountain is something difficult, tough, or something that you've never done before in your life. So, you can equate it to that. So, what you learn that when you take a single step towards it, when you conquer your fear and your feeling scared and not having the courage, what you learn is taking one step at a time. So you take one step, you take second step, and then you slowly learn how to get to the top of the mountain, which is equal to you resolving the problem, or you tackling it, or you facing it, whatever may be the situation. The second step is that every time there's a mountain in front of you, it's going to look very difficult and hard. And it is going to be difficult and hard. But that should not stop you from facing it, or not stop you from going ahead and taking that step. And the third thing that you learn from the mountain theory is that when you do it once, when you conquer that mountain once, when you climb up that mountain once, know this, that the second time the mountain or this difficult situation comes in your life, your gut, your heart, your body, your nervous system will be aware that it's not that difficult. I did it before, I can do it again. So it won't look that difficult. It will, I'm not saying that the second time onwards it's going to be very easy and simple, but your gut knows the feeling. Your nervous system won't break down. You won't start having panic attacks. You won't start running in the opposite direction, because your body, if your body knows, body is very intelligent. Your mind, heart knows that, okay, I've done it once before, I can do it again. And this time around, it's going to be easier. And then the third and the fourth and the fifth and so forth, when you start, facing your mountain and looking at it, you just won't be scared. You'll just think, okay, let me see how I can tackle this and let me take the first step. So these are the three things that you learn from my mountain theory.